I have the Cascade Larch, which I created 2 years ago, I think it was. I'll put a video at the end of when I first created this. I've already de-wired and rewired the tree, so I'll give you a look at that footage, then we'll come in and start adding its second styling. So I want a bit more of a drop on this branch. Up there. I'm going to lift these up out the way. Just move them out the way. We'll set the first pad, then we can work up the tree. Pointing there. I'm trying to get the tips to point upwards. Right, I want to get better situated. Now I'll just record a style. I'll just be working up the tree. Then we'll come back to the apex once we get these first few situated. I'm not done with this one yet. Right, now that's it for this larch. It's only its second year in the making. I think it was February 24 when I first started this. I'll put a video up here, right at the end for you in the credits. Here's a little quick spin. Back round there. The front's round about there somewhere. I killed that branch off and this one here. If I tried to style it in, it was going to block the bend, and it looks like all this foliage just killed that branch off. So I'll put a little gin in. If it works, it works. If not, I'll just chop its head off later on. There's a little one there as well. But that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe, help the channel out a bit. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!